like to thank everyone for attending this exciting event today, Listen to Design. We advocate for the consideration of acoustics at the start of every project. A panel of experts will talk about some of the misconceptions with acoustics.
So it's really about setting the stage of the communication in the right manner such that you don't end up with the lecture hall that doesn't work.
And how to design spaces to reduce unwanted noise.
Making them not have to choose acoustic elements as an add-on.
Like the idea of kind of quiet has become something quite luxurious.
Something that I think we can't appreciate enough because we don't hear it that much.
Well, how do we bring back restorative nature of sound?
We're going to show you how you can get to a much higher level of acoustic performance, but there's going to be some spend that comes along with it.
There were so many good questions from the audience. You can tell that this is sort of top of mind.
Welcome to the Masonite Acoustics Lab. As a leader in architectural acoustics, Masonite built this lab to support the development of high-performing acoustically rated doors.
It was a really cool thing to see. I've never seen an acoustics lab before and actually go through the process of how that works.
We need to consider sound as a primary material in the design process. Sound will be the new sensory interface. Masonite's new sound tool helps make acoustics as an important part of the design process. Being able to kind of visualize it, feel it, have the evidence in front of you.
Masonite has this facility here so that we can develop new products, new processes, new formulations of products. This wall will simulate hurricane speeds. With this, we can develop something that we have a high level of confidence is going to pass.
This is a topic that we're really passionate about. It's something that we really want to focus on going forward, so we really appreciate everyone's contributions today.
This event that Masonite puts on truly shows them as the leader in innovation in sound doors.
Masonite being an advocate for acoustics, period, is part of the revolution.